In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your work hours in Microsoft Teams. This is a useful feature if you want to make sure that your availability is up to date and accurately reflected to your colleagues. Let's get started. First, you will need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Outlook. You can do this by typing Outlook into your browser's search bar and hitting Enter. Once you've done that, click on the official Outlook link to open it. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you should see a sidebar on the left. From this sidebar, select Calendar. This will take you to your Outlook calendar, where you can see your upcoming appointments and events. At the top of the calendar page, there are several options. You should look for the one that says Calendar Settings. Click on it to explore more configuration options. Within the calendar settings, there should be an option labeled Work Hours and Location. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll be able to specify your working hours. Now it's time to adjust your work days and hours. You'll see a list of days of the week here. Choose the days you typically work. Next, set your start and end times for each day by selecting the times from the drop-down menus available. This is where you can be specific about when you're available for meetings or collaboration. If you need to add a second set of hours for a single day, for instance, if you have a split shift, you can do so by clicking Add Work Hours. Once you've customized your settings to match your schedule, the next step is crucial. Make sure to click Save. This will apply all the new settings you've just configured, ensuring your calendar now accurately reflects your working hours. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily update your work hours in Microsoft Teams, ensuring that everyone is aware of your availability. Keeping your schedule up to date helps streamline communication and collaboration, making it easier for your team to plan meetings and coordinate projects efficiently. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.